Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Transposing data. What does that mean? In very simple terms, we're going to take the columns, we're going to take the column headers and reverse those to row headers. This is section 1.9, transposing data. Very simple process of transposing. We are going to use the dialog box data listed here in the pay special. What we'll do is highlight the range where we're in B1, highlight B1 to D4. We will copy, we will hit copy, right click in G1, right click your mouse, hit paste special, go down to paste special, and you'll see the different data and information here. Very bottom on the right is a box, check transpose. There you go. What we've done is we've taken the produce in the column section and went across. Now it's in row section, and the quantity is listed in row format, and that's as simple as transposing data. For reverse, just hit Control Z. To move, to change the location, move your mouse, right click, paste special, transpose. There you go. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.